Hi everybody again. Now this is the second data video. If you've time over the week, you can do this. I definitely want you to do your Planet Maths, but this is extra as well. It's just a bit of fun. Okay. So it's I will send you this link. And this is what will come up, and you're going to make yourself a bar graph. We're going to make a bar graph. See all these other kinds of graphs. You can play around with those as well. Pie charts are great. Okay. So we start with the bar chart. We pick that one. We want a vertical one. It's going to be, the bars are going to be rectangular, and the background color, grid color is black. Okay, we'll just leave it the way it is. I think you may have to update before you go on to the next bit. And the next bit is data. So this is what your graph is going to be. So you can make up your own graph, or you can get the information from somewhere else. For example, you could put in incidences of COVID, or incidences of something else, or amounts of money being spent, or something, and you make up the graph title. Or you could just do it at home or with your relatives or whatever. It could be favorite fruit. Say I'm going to do favorite fruit. Not very interesting. Right. Okay, now on my x-axis label, that means my horizontal one, I'm going to write the fruits, and on my y, I'm going to write amount of children. It's just a pretend graph. My item is 5. Okay, so say I'm going to have apple and 5 children like that. The best. Banana. Banana is 6 kids. Pineapple, 10 children. Orange, 4. And give me another one. Give me another fruit. Grapes. Maybe 1. Okay. Now your minimum value. This is going to give you the length of your axis. Okay. So your minimum value is 0. Maybe, and your maximum value is 10. That'll make it nice and small, the graph. You don't want it much bigger than that. Or maybe because you have 10, maybe you make it 12. Okay. So do you update that, do you think? Will we update that? Okay, labels is just print what kind of font you want and all that. And what size? Preview. And there's my graph. Okay, now you mess around with that. And print and save. Now this is what I'd like you to try. Okay. So what I want you to do is to email this graph. Now you don't need an email address for this. You email it to me, principal at gmail, principal at maidlass.org. Okay. That's going to send in, and that's going to go to my email address. I'll have a look at them, and then maybe we could play around with them, and we could make up questions on each other's or something like that. Okay? If you fancy, that's just something extra to do. All right? But make sure you do your Planet Maths, and you have 2 days to do that. So that's Wednesday and Thursday. And then on Friday, we'll be doing a Kahoot quiz on, I think I'm going to put in a fair amount now from your maths notebook. You know, what are prime numbers and composite numbers, etc. All right. Okay. Keep in touch. Great work done today. Sorry, the tables thing just seemed to be kind of hard, but there you go. Okay. Bye-bye.